Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the name and photo on a group chat on your iPhone. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up our messages here. And most likely, if you have a group chat open up, you're going to see a bunch of names on it. And we can go ahead and change that to a specific name for that group and also the photo for it. By doing that, you simply click on that. From there on, you're going to click on the top here where all the names are showing up or how many people are in that group. So you're going to click on that. It's going to open up a menu like this, which will give you the option here to change name and photo. So if I click on that option, I can go ahead and change the name of this group here. So let's say here, tech team, right? And then the other thing I can do also is pick one of these emojis as well to represent this group. So if you want to assign this group something, you can do that. So you can assign this option, as you can see here. You can do that, and then from there on we hit done here. And now we have changed our group chat name here, and I can click on done. As you can see here, that's the name and that's the photo as well for this group chat here. Instead of just having everyone's name on it, you'll be able to just do that. Simple as that, and it does notify the group whenever you do change the name and the photo as well. So each time someone makes a change, it'll allow you to see who made the change and what they did with it as well. So that's how you change your group chat name and photo on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.